Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix EA Sports FC mobile black screen problem. So if you're having problem that your FC mobile app or your EA Sports FC mobile app actually is not working and you're getting this black screen all the time, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly exited the app, so I completely just closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here I scrolled down and I clicked on general as you can see. So now on this page I just scrolled down again and I clicked on storage. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. In here on search you're going to search for like this, FC Mobile instead. So we're going to search for FC Mobile and then click on Upload App, and once again click on Upload App in here. We're just going to wait and then click on the Reinstall App button here as you can see. And now just simply wait for your FC mobile app to completely update to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're going to force the app to update to its most up-to-date versions, which you need to be able to do to try to fix this problem. So when this is done, you're going to go back into the app. This should not log you out of your account whatsoever, just so you know. At least it didn't do so for me. Instead, it's just going to update the app to its latest version. So do this, go back into the app when it's done, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.